Hi all, welcome back to my channel. My name is Future. In today's video, we are going to dive into the unboxing of the latest and greatest in-budget smartphones, the Redmi 14C. This sleek device comes packed with 8GB of RAM and 256GB of ROM, all for the affordable price of just 185,600 naira for those in Nigeria and about $110. Let's see what this powerhouse has to offer. First of all, let's talk about performance. With 8GB of RAM, the Redmi 14C is a multitasking beast. Whether you are editing videos, scrolling through social media, or browsing the web, everything runs smoothly without a hint of lag. And the 256GB of storage, this is more than enough for all your photos, videos, and apps. No more worrying about running out of space or sourcing for external storages, right? Now let's get into the camera quality, because this is where the Redmi 14C truly shines. This is where it outperforms the other phones or the previous Redmi. The 500 megapixel camera captures stunningly clear photos, perfect for showcasing vibrant African markets or the beautiful sirens around us. And for the selfie lovers out there, the 13 megapixel front camera ensures every shot is sharp and Instagram ready. Just look at the level of detail and the vibrant colors. This phone is definitely purchasing above its price range. Let's talk about the design. The Redmi 14C is not only powerful but stylish too. It comes in three eye-catching colors: the graphite gray, the sky blue, and mint green. We have the sky blue model here, and it looks amazing. Yes, you can see from the video here. Lightweight use duration is very light with a premium finish that feels great in the hand, very easy to hold, and is very welcoming once you hold it on your hand. This phone is sure to turn heads whether you are at work, in class, or out in the city. And what is a great phone without a great battery? Let's dive into the battery performance. The Redmi 14C packs a massive 5000 mAh battery, keeping you powered up all day long. Whether you are capturing moments, streaming videos, or chatting with friends, this phone has the juice to last from morning till night without needing a recharge. Say goodbye to battery anxiety or using of power banks all the time. So there you have it, an unbeatable combination of performance, good camera quality, better style, and battery life, all wrapped up in the Redmi 14C. I'm sure you are going to get it now, right? And at a price of just $110, is one of the best budget smartphones you can get your hands on in 2024 and beyond. If you are looking to upgrade without breaking the bank, the Redmi 14C is definitely worth considering. Make sure to like, comment, and subscribe for more tech reviews, and let us know in the comment what you think about this device. Thank you guys for watching. Stay tuned for more tech updates and reviews. Until next time, keep exploring the future of tech with us. Bye for now.